What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am still in Nevada doing some hiking. Now, last video I took you on Eagle's Nest Loop Trail in the Spring Mountains National Recreation Area near Mount Charleston. If you haven't seen that video yet, definitely check it out. Great views. I got some really amazing drone footage. I think you're gonna like it. This video, I am back in the same area, but I'll be headed up Cathedral Rock, where we should have some more amazing views. And of course, I got my drone with me, so really excited to get some aerial shots of the surrounding mountains. Now, this area is great to check out if you're visiting Las Vegas. Mount Charleston is only a 45-minute drive outside of the Las Vegas Strip. So if you want to get away from all the casinos and the noise, and you want to come out here, get some nature, some beautiful views, then definitely check out this area. All right, guys, I'm ready to get up this mountain. It's not a long hike, just a few miles out and back. So let's get up there and enjoy the views. All right, guys, almost to the top, but before we get there, check out this view behind me. Let's take a look, and then we'll get to the top of Cathedral Rock. Here we are on top of Cathedral Rock, and we just have magnificent panoramic views from up here. This is really spectacular, and I'm gonna break out the drone and get some really nice aerial shots. So let's enjoy this view. that is going to do it for me. There you have it, Cathedral Rock. Awesome hike, great views. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. Highly recommend if you are visiting Las Vegas. This area is only 45 minutes outside of the Las Vegas Strip. So if you want to get away from all the casinos and the noise, definitely check out this area. A lot of hiking here, great views. If you want to see another hike with gorgeous views, check out my last video where I take you on Eagle's Nest Loop. I think you're really going to like it. Also got great drone footage. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the Pacific Northwest soon, taking you on more adventures. Also check out my Instagram where I post some cool pictures of my hikes. Check out my website, wondermountainsoap.com. All the links are in the description. Share the video, I would appreciate that. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and then I'll catch you on my next adventure. Take care.